Question 7. Okay, let's have a look at this. Here's our curve. So what is the region R? So here the area R is equal to, it's just integral y dx, isn't it? Between 0 and 20. Now the y is equal to 3 over 4x plus 1, so the half would be this height. Take away this height, minus root 3 over 9 dx between 0 and 20. Okay, so that would equal 3 over 4x. Let's just work that out properly. So this would be root 3 integral 1 over, no, I'm going to write that out differently again, 4x plus 1 to the minus a half. So I've taken out the root 3, which is common, minus, I'm going to put a 9 here, and that way that will be a 9, and this will be a 1 dx between 0 and 20. That looks like it might be the almost the easiest way to do it. So here, what have we got? Let's integrate 4x plus 1 to the half. A half, this to the minus a half, multiplied by the something differentiated, which would be 2. So we need a 2 underneath and then a 9. Because there's 9 lots of. Let's just check this then. 9 over 4 times this, so the minus half multiplied by the 4, which would give 9 minus x between 0 and 20. Okay, put 20 in. 81 to the half is 9, so we've got 81 over 2 minus 20, which is 40 over 2. That's the top value. Take away the bottom value. Put 0 in for here, we get 9 over 2. Take away 0. Let's just check that then. Put 20 in here, 81, 9. 9 9s are 81 over 2. Put 20 in here, minus 20, which is 40 over 2. We can write that in halves. Makes life easier. So what do we get? 81 minus 49. 81 minus 49, 81 minus 50, 32. 32 over 2, which is 16. So that's what we get. 16 units for the region R. Now the volume. Now I'm going to try and make this a little bit easier for myself because I know it's just the volume of, and I call this V1 and then V2, and then I'm going to do the whole thing, the whole stack as the volume. So I'm going to work out the whole volume, then V2, and work the difference out to get V1. So volume, so it's a disk pi y squared dx. Those are the disks. And we're going to do it from 0 to 20. Pi y squared. Now y squared would be that squared 3 over 4x plus 1. Dx. Ln 4x plus 1 log goes to 1 over multiplied by the 4, so we'll need a 4 underneath. But there's a 3 already there, and there's a pi. So it's 3 pi over 4 between 20 and 0. When you put 0 in, you get log 1 is 0, so it's only the top value. 3 pi over 4 ln of 81. So that's volume V. Now we want volume V2. Pi r squared, the radius, pi r squared, root 3 over 9. Times h is 20. So 3 over 81, 60 pi over 81. Divide by 3 is 20 pi over 27. That's V2. So the V1 then, which is the difference between this volume and that volume, (3 pi over 4 ln 81 minus 20 pi over 27. That's what I think it would be. And I think, did it say the exact volume? Yeah. And the exact area of R. Okay. Just made a simple mistake on part 1, which I'm going to go back to now and cheat, because this was 16, but I forgot to multiply this by root 3 over 9. So apologies for that. And that's now the correct answer. And this one's fine as well.